Hi there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Vauxhall Corsa Sting model. It's got a 1.2 litre petrol engine and it comes in manual transmission. The vehicle is also ULEZ Compliant. Your sleek grey exterior is really enhanced by the line pack included with the Sting model. As you can see, this includes those lovely white stripes you'll see running down the vehicle. Here's a closer look at your nice and bright headlights. Moving to the back, you can see your rear lights suit the shape of the vehicle nicely, and you've got these lovely white finish alloy wheels. For a smaller hatchback, the Corsa does boast quite a nice amount of boot space. You won't struggle with the weekly shopping. Here's a close look at your rear interior. You can see you've got a nice and comfy cloth upholstery. ISOFIX Points are also available. As we head into your front interior, you'll spot that lovely design to your upholstery. It gives the interior a bit of personality. Your steering wheel's multifunction. The left side houses your speed limiter settings. On the right, you'll find your volume and channel control. It's also where you'll see your hands-free call access options. You've got this lovely little media display here. You can toggle between physical media via your CD player or just browse through radio stations. You can configure some of the aspects of the system, and you can even mess around with the tone of the vehicle via the tone menu. This lets you customise the speakers to your liking. This little button here is the City Parking Assist. It provides much lighter steering at parking speeds and is sure to be appreciated by beginner drivers. Your climate control is very user friendly. As you can see, it's condensed to these small panels here. You do have a little separate button for your reheated screen. Just below you'll find a nice pocket of storage with some cup holders. And just behind your handbrake you will also find some extra cup holders. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, feel free to call on 01204 828 804.